Chapter 9, Relation between points, lines and planes. Find the point at which the normal to the plane 4x minus 2y plus 5z plus 18 equals to 0 through the point 6 minus 2 minus 2 intersects the plane. So the normal is, that's kind of interesting. A plane will have many normals, right? So this normal is going through a point 6 minus 2 minus 2, right? And we need to figure out where will this normal intersect the plane. You got it? Find the point at which normal to the plane, which is given in Cartesian form, through the point 6 minus 2 minus 2 intersects the plane, okay? So let's try to figure it out. Now, so the equation of normal through this point will be, normal vector is, let's see the normal vector one. So the normal vector is, the equation is 4x minus 2y plus 5z plus 18 equals to 0, right? So from here we can write normal is 4 minus 2 plus 5, correct? That's the norm. An equation of a line which has this as its direction and that the point. So the line will be, let's say r is equal to 6 minus 2 minus 2 plus t times 4 minus 2 plus 5. Is that okay? So that is the normal. Now to find the point of intersection, we need to put these x values into this line and then figure it out, right? So what are the x values? Let's write this vector equation into parametric form. Okay, if I write it in parametric form, let me take it here. Then we have x is equal to 6 plus 40, y is equals to minus 2 minus 2t, and z is equals to minus 2 plus 5t. Okay, so these are my general points on the normal. If I plug these points into my equation of the plane, I should get the value of t, right? Since we have only one variable here to work with. So let's do that. So we'll do 4 times. Instead of x, I'm writing 6 plus 4t minus 2 times minus 2 minus 2t plus 5 times minus 2 plus 5t plus 18 equals to 0, right? And let's open this up. 4 times 6, 24 plus 16t, minus and minus becomes plus 4, minus and minus plus 4t, plus times minus is minus 10, plus times plus is plus 25t, and we'll take all those terms later, combine all the numbers and take them together to the right side, okay? Now let's combine the numbers. 24 plus 4 is 28, 28 minus 10 is 18, and 18 plus 18 is 36, so we get 36 as the number, right? And as far as t's are concerned, 16t plus 40 is 20t, 20 plus 25 is 45t, right? So we get 45t here, right? 45t plus 36 equals to 0, right? Now here we can solve for t, right? So let's solve for t. So t is equals to minus 36 over 45, correct? Now this could be simplified and we get, both can be divided by 9, right? So we get minus 4 over 5. So that's the value of t which we have got. Correct? Now if we plug in this value of t here, we'll get our points. Is that right? So the points are x is equal to 6 plus 4 times minus 4 over 5, which is, we can find out, right? And y is minus 2 times minus 4 over 5, correct? We can calculate this. Z is this plus 5 times minus 4 over 5, correct? And we can calculate this. This one is easy. Let's do this first. 5 will cancel out with 5. So you're left with minus 4, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. That's fine. Now here we have 5 in the denominator, and the numerator is 4 times 2 is 8, but it's plus 8, right? So we'll cross multiply this with minus 10. So let's say minus 10 plus 8 is minus 2, right? So we get minus 2 over 5. Here we'll get 4 times 4 is 16, minus 16. And so we'll get minus 16 plus 6 is plus 10. And plus 10 divided by 5 is half. So 6 times 4, 4 times 4, 16. Yeah, that's what we'll get. So let's do it. 5 is the common denominator. 5 times 6 is 30. And minus 4 times 4 is 16. And then we can do 30 minus 16, which is 14. So we get 14 over 5, right? So these are our answers. So we'll write down our answer here in a box. So let me put that here. So the point of intersection which we have got is 14 over 5 for x value, minus 2 over 5 for the y value, and minus 6 for z value. So that's the answer. 14 over 5 for the x value, correct? Minus 2 over 5 for the y value, and minus 6 for this, correct? So the idea here is first to find the equation of the line and then write it in parametric form. It is important, right? So find the equation of the line. So that is our line, right? And then we have parametric form. And then you sub in this into the standard or Cartesian equation and find the value of t. Once you find the value of t, which was here, plug it in, get your points, right? Do your calculations carefully because there is scope of lot of error. Take care. Thanks.